Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, welcome. My name is Lydia, and for today's video I'm going to show you how I curl my hair. It's very easy and simple. It takes no longer than 20 minutes max if I'm not in a hurry. If I'm in a hurry, I can do it in 10 minutes. So this is how it looks. It's kind of wavy, not so curly, soft. Every day you can rock this on everyday basis, and yeah, all you need is a curling iron like this. A big one is better. So yeah, if you want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Okay, so I washed my hair last night, and this is my natural hair. I haven't done anything to it with I let it air dry, and I put a cream to it, like some nourishing cream, and and I let it air dry. So now I'm gonna brush it. Okay, so now that I've brushed my hair and I don't have any knots, I'm gonna section them so I can get nice curl, section them in little parts. Voila. And the curling iron I use is the Babyliss Boutique. It's the big one, and normally it comes with a glove, but I don't know where I put my glove, so today I won't be using any glove, but better if you use so that you don't burn your hand. Alright, so I always start from the inside part of my hair. I just rub it that way and let it go. So what I do is I let like 10 seconds to 15 seconds. The longer I leave it on is the tighter the curls will be, and the longer it will hold during the week. So I think that's okay. I would release it and hold it a little bit, let it cool off on my hand, and then let it down. Now we just keep repeating the process. Let it down, let it cool off in your hand first, and voila. After that I will pull them back, let them at the back, and do the rest of my hair and do the same thing again. There is no like direction. You can either do it this way or that way. It's the same thing. I like to do both ways, so it doesn't matter. At the end result it will just blend together. Okay, so I would let this go back and take another section put them in front. Tie up the rest and section them in two again. Just do the same thing, you know, different layer. Have curled all of our hair. All you want to do is take your fingers, and you can put some hair oil if you want to, you know, just to make it shiny and lock the curls if you want to. But today I'm not gonna use any oil because I've put some mascara on last night to my hair, so they are quite healthy. So just brush it through your curls like that to make them a little bit loose and natural. Gently. Okay. Tassel them up. Voila. Okay, so after this you have your curls. Okay, now we're finished, and this is how the result. I'm gonna move further a bit and show you. Voila. I think I like my side part. Yes. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful, and please feel free to leave some comments if you want to, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you appreciate it. And yeah, I think I will see you on my next video then. Bye bye.